Fox News, and we're going inside of Three Brothers. Let's go in there. It's okay. The first half, Cassandra. How do you feel?
I feel gross because Chaparro's taking off his shirt. Oh.
Take it.
No, tengo esa que es ¿cómo se llama?
Hey, you guys, I'm not done.
Never. ¿Cómo se siente la lonchera?
Oh, muy bien, señoritas, muy bien. Aquí hoy es el primer día, el estreno. No hay tiempo que no se cumpla.
Okay.
¿Viste? No quítate, Manny. No más.
Okay, let's go down.
Ya, Ney.
¿Cómo se siente?
Están bien loco, ¿no?
¿Cómo se siente?
Quítate.
¿Cómo se siente?
Ya, muy bien, ya vámonos. Vámonos para abajo, vámonos.
Hola, señor. ¿Cómo se siente de su lonchera?
Oh, ¿sabes dónde, Ricky? En la torteca, dice Omar.
Hola.
¿Cómo se siente? ¿Cómo se siente?
Es que son muy suavecitas las de la Tolteca. A mí me gustan las de Tolteca, pero a muchos
Muy feliz.
¿Qué van a estar sirviendo hoy?
Mexican food.
¿Qué quieres?
Ma, ¿cómo te vas a
te
sentir?
tomaste mi licuado, pinche huesudo.
¡Tira! We're recording. ¿Cómo se siente la lonchera?
Yo no la he cargado, pues.
Okay, bye.
Oye, man, no tienes que subir todo porque no hay mucho campo en los
How do you
refris.
feel about the lonchera?
Well, I feel pretty good about it. I feel like business is going to be great, and I feel like
Cualquier
we're
cosa
all
me
as a
hablas y ya
family
llevo
going to
uno.
come together and work together, work very hard, you know, and yeah.
Excuse me, Mexican man. How do you feel about the lonchera?
Me estoy molestando.
Hey, now let's talk about that.
Señor, ¿cómo se siente la lonchera? Feels good. He feels so hungry that he's about to eat my hand.
Alright, this is the tour of the lonchera right here.
Yeah, this is our first day. And now let's go to the grand opening. So, right here we have a wheel. Yep. Right here we have a bot. I'm just kidding. Meet Kiva.
That's my dog.
Kiva, sit up. Sound to.
Sit. No,
Hey, Kiva.
Oh, and right here are all the food.
Kiva, sit.
Food right here.
Time to sit, Clever.
Hey, sit. Keep it sit. No, no.
We have all your food. We have the carne right here.
Kiva, come here. Sit.
Sit. No. Sit.
We have all the carne in this side.
He didn't obey right now. Okay, so over here
Food right here.
we have all the
All
food.
the meat and everything.
We have tortillas.
Alright.
And in this side we have even more.
We have
here.
tortillas, beans, and all that. Right here we have the plates,
And we got
tortillas, cups,
sodas right here.
so a bunch of
make the
sodas.
juice.
Oh, Becky made it good. Sodas, juice. And then
Conan.
that's Conan, the evil dog.
Oh, he's not evil. He's a story.
And right here, wait, is your dad gonna use this? Okay, we might use this for music. So here it is. Gracie, you messed it up.
No.
Keep up.
And the lonchera's pink.
Yeah, it's actually pink. Wait, I'm gonna go over that. That's pretty. No, we have to go up the roof to see it.
Up the what?
Up the roof.
No, we can't go off the roof. My dad doesn't let us.
To record it.
I think you won't even see it, probably.
Yeah, you we're gonna go see them.
So, I'm right here, right? My name is Clever. Okay, we're about to go through our secret tunnel. Can we see it from there?
So,
Get over there. No. Oh,
no, leave them.
they might jump off.
Okay, so we have everyone working over there. Can you zoom in?
Do you see her over there? No.
Katsana?
Yeah.
You can see Kale. He's running out.
Where?
Guys, see your brother.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, so yeah.
That's basically all.
This is our first day. So, it's pretty cool. There's
Look, you see that menu over there? You see him?
over there.
Over there by the door?
There's your mom, Naomi. Say hi!
No.
No.
No. Oh, cause hey, Kiba.
Get your butt over.
Alright,
Okay, so this is the end of the video, and this is our first vlog of the Three Brothers. Our channel is going to be called the Three Brothers. And so please leave please subscribe and like. We would like lots of views. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tonight. Maybe tonight. Or tomorrow. Bye.